ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనము ట్రిగనామెట్రీ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ స్టేజ్ 3 వెళ్తున్నాం. అంటే ఇప్పటి వరకు నేర్చుకున్న స్టేజ్ 1 అండ్ స్టేజ్ 2లలో ఎటువంటి మిస్టేక్స్ చేస్తాం, వాటి విషయంలో ఎటువంటి జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోవాలి, ఈ ముఖ్యమైన విషయాలన్నింటిని కూడా ఈ స్టేజ్ 3లో చూస్తాం. అంటే దాన్ సాల్వింగ్ ద ట్రిగనామెట్రిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్, దీస్ ప్రికాషన్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో very very important for applying in solving the problems of trigonometric equations. See one by one. Here I am introducing one important method that is called easy style method. The name itself, easy style. So far, for to solve the trigonometric equations, we have learned so many methods and methodologies. Single equation with a single variable, two equation under single variable, two equations and two variables, several varieties of trigonometric equations so far we have concentrated. But for to solve each and every model, we have some standard techniques and methods. But here our easy style method is, see, any trigonometric equation can be solved without using any formula. Yeah, because for sin theta is equal to k, how to solve? Sin theta is equal to k is equal to sin alpha, where k belongs to closed interval -1 comma 1. This already we practiced. Sin theta is equal to k. Suppose this is the question given to you, then what to do? This is equal to sin alpha, k belongs to closed interval -1 comma 1, and alpha belongs to closed interval -pi/2 comma pi/2. Then in this case, our principal value of theta is equal to alpha, and gs of theta, that is general solution of theta, is equal to n pi plus -1 whole power n into alpha, where n is an integer. Like that, we defined, we have given several formulae for solving different types of trigonometric equations for sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant, cot, etc. etc. But my friends, apart from all those things, the thing is, any trigonometric equation can be solved without using any formula. What to do? To solve a trigonometric equation, you just find all angles in closed interval 0 comma 2 pi. Means under 0 to 2 pi, which angles satisfies the given equation. You find all that angles. Then what to do next? Add 2n pi. Enough. Add 2n pi to each and every angle. For example, sin theta is equal to 1 is given for you. So in 0 to 2 pi, in closed interval 0 to 2 pi, what angles are satisfied for sin theta is equal to 1? ఏమి యాంగిల్స్ 0 to 2 పైలో ఏ యాంగిల్స్ sin theta is equal to 1ని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తాయో చూడండి. ఏమేంటి? theta is equal to pi/2, theta is equal to pi minus pi/2, that is what? Pi minus pi/2 is pi/2, or 2 pi minus 2 pi plus pi/2, that is more than that. So if it is 3 pi/2, it becomes -1. So this is the only angle. So what to do? So general solution of theta becomes what? 2n pi plus pi/2. Enough. That is sufficient. So like this, in closed interval 0 to 2 pi, which angles are satisfying the given trigonometric equation? Find it and add 2n pi to each and every one. This is nothing but easy style method. But my friends, but please don't depend only upon this as usual, because in our test books, ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు వీటికి అలవాటుపడి ఉన్నారు. ఇందాక మనం చేసుకున్నామే, sin theta is equal to k equal to sin alpha, therefore general solution of theta is equal to n pi plus -1 whole power n into alpha, because ఇది కొత్తగా ఉండటంతో చాలామంది డైజెస్ట్ చేసుకోలేరు. సో మై రికమెండేషన్ వాటికే వెళ్ళండి, బట్ ఇది కూడా ఒక మెథడ్ అనే విషయం మర్చిపోవద్దు. నౌ ఇప్పుడు మనం while solving a trigonometric equation, one should remember these important points. This is very, very important. because several people can solve the problem under different methods. Sometimes, suppose any trigonometric equation in terms of tan is given. Some people they convert tan in terms of cot, or sometimes they may convert this in terms of secant, sine and cos. They can solve the equation in terms of sine and cos, and by resolving them into a single trigonometric function, either in sine or cos, they may get the answer. So, different trigonometric equations can be solved by different methods. చాలా methods ఉన్నాయి, చాలా పద్ధతులతో చేయొచ్చు. The form of solutions obtained in different methods may be different. Obvious. For to solve a trigonometric equation in terms of sine, then answer could be different. Cos, answer is different. For a tan, answer is different. But from these different forms of the solutions, the student should not think that the answer obtained by one method is wrong and other method is correct. ఈ మెథడ్తో చేస్తేనే రైటు, ఆ మెథడ్తో చేస్తేనే తప్పు అనేటువంటి ఒక ప్రిన్సిపల్కి మటుకు వెంటనే కంక్లూషన్కి రామాకండి. సో సొల్యూషన్స్ అబ్టైన్డ్ బై డిఫరెంట్ మెథడ్స్ మే బి షోన్ టు బి ఈక్వలెంట్ by some supplementary transformations that already I mentioned. That's why suppose if sin theta is equal to 1 is given for you. How to solve? How to find its general solution? This can be written as sin pi by 2. So my PV of theta is equal to what? Pi by 2. My GS of theta is what? N pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 2. This is no doubt correct solution. There is no problem at all. But the thing is, actually suppose if I have replaced n with n plus 1, what will happen? If I have because if n is an integer, n plus 1 is also an integer. So if I have replaced n with n plus 1, this becomes what? N plus 1 into pi plus minus 1 whole power n plus 1 into pi by 2. This also I can write it as n pi minus 1 whole power minus, this can be written as what? Minus 1 whole power n, minus 1 whole power n, pi by 2 and plus pi. It appears like what? It appears like a different solution. But don't get to panic over this. The structure may be different. To avoid that confusion, what to do? You substitute n for, because n is an integer. n బదులు ఏం చేస్తారు? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, అలానే minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. You find all, substitute all these values for n and collect all angles in closed interval 0, 2 pi. Collect all angles in closed interval 0, 2 pi. సో నౌ విత్ హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ నీకు ఒక మెథడ్తో నీకు ఒక సొల్యూషన్ వస్తుంది కదా, ఆ సొల్యూషన్తో క్లోజ్డ్ ఇంటర్వల్ 0, 2 పైతో నీ ట్రిగనామెట్రిక్ ఈక్వేషను ఏ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఇచ్చింది, విచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూషన్స్ దట్ యువర్ సొల్యూషన్ హ్యాస్ గివెన్ వైల్ సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ n for and so on minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 in closed interval to 0, 2 pi. You write that solution set. And from the given set of solution, దాంట్లో కూడా ఏం చేస్తారు? n బదులు minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేయండి. వాటిలో నుంచి you collect all trigonometric solutions from 0 to 2 pi, angles from 0 to 2 pi. ఆ రెండు ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, the two solutions are what? The two methods are what? Equivalent. So ఇక్కడ ఏం మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నాను? టు టెస్ట్ ద ఈక్వలెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద టూ సొల్యూషన్స్ అబ్టైన్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ టూ మెథడ్స్, ద సింప్లెస్ట్ వే ఈజ్ టు పుట్ వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు and so on minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. and then to find the angles in 0 to 2 pi. If all the angles in both the solutions are same, then the two solutions are what? Equivalent. This is important. Got the point? And another important point. While manipulating trigonometric equations, avoid danger of losing roots. Avoid danger of losing roots. What is this? Suppose if I have given tan theta into sin theta, tan theta into cos sin theta equal to 0. Sometimes what we do, or is equal to some in right hand side, and it is equal to something like is equal to 0 is there, for example. I think I give another more example. Tan x is equal to, or tan theta is equal to 2 sin theta is given. With over enthusiasm, what we can do? In general, people are doing like this. I can write tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, and this is equal to 2 sin theta. Simply what they can do, they cancel one sign. That creates the nuisance for you. So suppose whenever this kind of cancellations are required, but be careful that don't forget to equate that function to 0, because with this sometimes we may lose some roots. That's why read this paragraph very carefully. చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోండి. ఇలాంటి క్యాన్సిలేషన్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు మీరు క్యాన్సిలేషన్లో ఆ క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చేసిన టర్మ్ని కూడా 0కి ఈక్వేట్ చేస్తున్నారా లేదా చెక్ చేసుకొని మరీ చెయ్యండి. So while manipulating the trigonometric equations, avoid the danger of losing roots. Generally, some roots are lost by cancellation, cancelling a common factor from the two sides of the equation. For example, if tan x is equal to 2 sin x is given for you, while dividing both sides with the sin x, we get cos x is equal to 1 by 2. This is not equivalent to just the given equation, because there we are missing sin x is equal to 0 and their roots. And another important point is, suppose, depends upon the problem, sometimes it is required to divide on both sides with some factor. Be careful that that factor should not be equal to 0. While dividing something with while dividing something factor with on both sides of the equation, be careful that that factor should not be equal to 0. Otherwise, if it is 0, what will happen? That a term becomes infinity. That's why read this point very carefully. While equating one of the factors to 0, take care of the other factor that should not become infinite. For example, cos x into tan x is equal to 0. Here what to do? Simply it is in the form of a into b equal to 0. If a into b equal to 0, by algebra we are writing a equal to 0 and b equal to 0. What will happen? If cos x is equal to 0, what will happen? Automatically tan x means sin x by cos x, which becomes infinite, which is absurd. Be careful. So these are the simple points. ఇవే మనం చేసే మిస్టేక్స్. ఎక్కడ ఈక్వేట్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఎక్కడ ఈక్వేట్ చేసుకోకూడదు, ఏ టర్మ్స్ని మనం నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయాలి, ఏ టర్మ్స్ని మనం నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయకూడదు, చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాల్సినటువంటి విషయం ఇది. అలానే అనదర్ పాయింట్, అవాయిడ్ స్క్వేరింగ్. సపోజ్ if I have given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1, solve this equation. Some people, what they do, they are squaring on both sides. So after squaring on both sides, what will happen? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to 1. After simplification, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 1. And this is 1. So this is sin 2 theta. So 1 plus sin 2 theta equal to 1. So 1 gets cancelled. So sin 2 theta is equal to 0. Therefore, general solution of 2 theta is n pi. Therefore, theta is n pi by 2, where n is an integer. In general, people do like this. But as a method, it is correct. There is no problem at all. The dangerous situation is, here in the solution set, we may get some extraneous roots also. Unimportant roots also be కొన్ని మనం ఊహించనివి ఎక్స్ట్రా రూట్స్ కూడా ఈ సెట్లో ఉంటాయనే విషయం మర్చిపోవద్దు. ఎందుకని ఒరిజినల్గా ఈ మెథడ్ ఏంటి, వెన్ ఎవర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ది ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ వాట్, ఏ కాస్ థీటా ప్లస్ బి సైన్ థీటా ఈక్వల్ టు సి మోడల్. వాట్ ఈజ్ అవర్ మెథడ్? Divide and both sides with root of a square plus b square. So actually what is the methodology? Divide and both sides with root of a square plus b square, that is 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2. So it becomes what? 1 by, that becomes 1 by root 2 sin theta plus 1 by root 2 cos theta equal to 1 by root 2. And if I have written this as what? Cos pi by 4. Then this is cos pi by 4 sin theta plus sin pi by 4 cos theta equal to 1 by root 2. This I can write it as cos of theta minus pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. And this is nothing but cos pi by 4. Therefore, my GS of theta minus pi by 4 is 2n pi plus or minus pi by 4. Therefore, my GS of theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4, because I bring that pi by 4 in the left hand side to right hand side. This is the method. Here we get what? By taking minus pi by 4 gets cancelled, and 2n pi will be the one answer, and another one is 2n pi minus pi by 4, I will get another one. So now my $1,000,000 question is, which answer is correct? This answer or this answer? See, here you substitute any value for n, any integer for n, you never get n as pi by, theta as pi by 2. Because here we will get theta is equal to pi by 2. So which is not solution of the given equation. So whenever it is must for you, ఎప్పుడైనా మీకు స్క్వేరింగ్ చేయాల్సిన పరిస్థితి వచ్చిందా, అప్పుడు మీరు ఒళ్ళు దగ్గర పెట్టుకోండి. బీ కేర్ఫుల్ విత్ దట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. సో ఇఫ్ స్క్వేరింగ్ ఈజ్ మస్ట్, చెకింగ్ ఫస్ట్. That is my slogan. If squaring is must, checking first. So when we square both sides of an equation, some extraneous roots will appear, and hence it is necessary to check all the solutions found by substituting them in the given equation and omit the solutions not satisfying the given equation. So this is the same example I have explained here just now. Just to go through that. So what happened there? Some extraneous roots we may get it. Some extraneous roots we are getting it. So what is my slogan? If squaring is must, checking first. This is very, very essential for you. Okay? So unnecessarily please don't square the given equation. And another important point, if any trigonometric equation contains logarithmic functions or under square root is there, be careful, apply all terms and conditions of that logarithmic function, as well as apply the modulus concept whenever square of some function is under root. Because you know it very well, root x square is equal to mod x and is equal to x when x greater than or equal to 0, minus x when x less than or equal to 0. So don't take root sin square theta is equal to, don't write that as plus or minus sin theta or plus sin theta some mod sin theta. And depends upon the theta only, whether it is sin theta or minus sin theta, those terms and conditions will apply. And of course, logarithm of f of theta is given. And you know the basic conditions of log. Logarithm of function will defined only if the function is always greater than 0. And of course, base not equal to 1. These are the basic terms and conditions, because these are the things are very, very useful while finding in domains and ranges of the functions, complicated functions. There the value of trigonometric equations will help you like anything. సో ఇది మీకు ఉపయోగించుకోవాల్సిన విషయం. అందుకని ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం స్టేజ్ 1, స్టేజ్ 2 అండ్ మీకోసం స్పెషల్గా ఇచ్చినటువంటి ట్రిగ్నామెట్రిక్ జనరల్ ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్లో కన్నా కూడా ఈ కండిషన్స్ జాగ్రత్తగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సో ఫైనల్గా students are advised to check whether all roots obtained by them satisfy the equation lie in a common domain of the variable of the given equation or not. So, my friends, these are the some of the tips for solving entire trigonometric equations. You can do wonders if you are thorough with these points perfectly. Don't get any confusion. Practice makes maths perfect only. ఇట్లాంటివన్నీ మీకు ఎన్నో మన శ్రీ చైతన్యలో ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ ద్వారా మీ లెక్చరర్స్ ఇంతకన్నా అద్భుతమైనటువంటి మీకు ఇస్తాను. ఇది జస్ట్ ఒక సపోర్ట్ మాత్రమే. ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ ద టోటల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, బికాస్ జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఏ సపోర్ట్, బట్ దిస్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. మీకు ఏమన్నా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మీ నియరెస్ట్ బ్రాంచ్లో ఉన్నటువంటి అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్స్ని కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. రీసెంట్గా వీ హ్యావ్ స్టార్టెడ్ వన్ గుడ్ బ్యాచ్ ఫర్ ఐఐటి ప్రోగ్రామ్. మొన్న కూడా మనకి ఆల్ ఇండియా మొత్తంలో 9 మంది స్టూడెంట్స్కి 100% మెయిన్స్లో వస్తే అందులో 4 స్టూడెంట్స్ మన శ్రీ చైతన్య స్టూడెంట్స్ అవ్వటం అనేది గొప్ప విషయం. వీఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ బిలో 10 ర్యాంక్స్ అండ్ బిలో 100 ర్యాంక్స్ ఈవెన్ దిస్ academic year also. If you like this video, share this and subscribe this and be in touch with the corresponding administrators. God bless you, and we will meet in the next session with a different topic. Thank you, one and all.